Payoneer account registration. Hi and welcome to this channel. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And also you can check out other tutorials on the channel as well. Alright, so for those of you who don't know what Payoneer is, a Payoneer account allows you to receive international payment online. Alright, so if you do online business, if you're a freelancer, if you're an affiliate marketer, or you sell products online, this is the best platform for you. So to help you understand better, this is a PayPal alternative, and I understand some people have problems with PayPal because it restricts certain countries. All right, but with Payoneer you have more features and more functions, and it's good for international transactions. All right, so let's get into the video. So to begin, I'll put a link in the description below. Click on it to get $25 into your Payoneer account when you first sign up. All right, and hopefully I'll not forget. So click on it. Hold on, let me just close this. Let's find the right account for your needs. What are you? So select, I am a freelancer, agency or a service provider. Alright, so if you're a freelancer, this is good for you. If you are an agency, like online seller is similar to affiliate marketing. It's up to you. You can choose any of them, but if you're an affiliate marketer, I believe online seller is good, or freelance marketplace. Pay my service providers and suppliers. So this is the right one. My monthly volume is, all right, let's see. All right, so Payoneer sign up. So select your type of business, individual, if you're a sole proprietor, or you have a partnership, corporation or LLC, you have to go with this, okay? But majority of the people will go with individual. Alright, so fill in the fields in English characters only. So I'll do that. So when you select the year, by default you get the exact calendar for you, okay? So you're gonna fill in the address. Make sure you enter the right phone number, okay? Because they'll send you a verification code, alright, which is here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that. So I'll create a password, re-enter the password. So you're gonna select a security question and you answer. In most cases, when you sign up with different computer or at a different location, they might prompt you to enter this thing or fill in this, okay? And this is for your own good, all right? So if you have a driving license, use it. But if it's about to expire soon, I mean, just be careful with it, but you can use it too. I think in most cases, they will ask you to take a screenshot and send it to them, or make a copy and upload. And national ID, it can be a little tricky because some of the IDs, they don't expire and stuff like that, and it can be a problem, okay? So just be careful. I'll advise you to go with passport. By my case, I'll go with driving license. Then after, I'm gonna enter this captcha code, then it's gonna unlock the next. Alright, so now you need to enter your bank account information. So I just got email on my phone. Alright, so this is just a notice. So let's go check the second email. Alright, so I'll try to upload the photo ID, and you need to work it out because they want a 20 megabyte size. Okay, so just take note. See, so they want a 20 megabyte. It can be in PG, PNG. I'll just drag it and drop it here. Submit. Let's see what's gonna happen. Hopefully it's gonna accept it. Oh, success. That's good. All right, so we've received your info and we'll let you know as soon as your details have been reviewed. All right, what? Reviewed again. Anyhow, so now to the next one, which is the provide business details. So I'll click on that and click on this. Answer a few questions about your business. Select the category that best describes the goods or services you will be paid for. Okay, goods, supply and logistics, program and tech, design and multimedia, writing and translation, sales and marketing. All right, so mine falls under sales and marketing, so click on that. Then what services do you provide? Social media, SEO, blah blah blah. No, it has to be digital content services. All right, so provide URL to your online store or website. So http blogsdom.com. This is why it's good to have your own website, man. So if you don't, I'll put a Namecheap. You can use that to get your own domain and Bluehost for your hosting, or Builder. Okay, I'll put the links in the description, because it say provide the URL to your online store or website. So if you have a website that you sell stuff like Shopify and stuff, you can still use that. In my case, it's a website, okay, because I do affiliate marketing and I create content and I review products. So what is your connection to the website provided? So I'll see owner, because I'm the owner. Okay, or you can write founder. Yeah, owner or founder is okay. Tell us a bit about your business. Alright, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Bye bye.